Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about the benefits of apple cider vinegar and who should take it and who should avoid it. Also, is it beneficial for all? Everybody should drink apple cider vinegar? Whether it's beneficial for me or not? All these questions comes when we talk about apple cider vinegar, and today's video is going to solve all these questions and benefits so that you can easily choose whether apple cider vinegar is good for you or not. Let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. There are so many myths that are associated with apple cider vinegar. Many people say it's a very good tonic. But actual truth is apple cider vinegar is not a tonic. It doesn't contain minerals, it doesn't contain vitamins, though it contains acetic acid. So it's a form of acid and it is acidic in nature, it is not alkaline in nature. In Ayurveda, apple cider vinegar is known as shuk and it's very commonly known in India with the name sirka. So this apple cider vinegar, it is hot in potency. About all the vinegars, there is one common thing, that is these all are hot in potency. As its pH is near about 2.5, so it becomes very acidic in nature. Its pH is almost around what pH is present in our stomach. As you know, in our stomach various kind of acids are present which helps to digest our food, which break down our food into small particles so that our body can absorb it. So same kind of pH this apple cider vinegar. So all those people who want to drink apple cider vinegar just as a tonic, just to gain vitamins, minerals, strength, immunity, so this is not for that. Apple cider vinegar is not for this purpose. Apple cider vinegar is also useful, but it has different role to play in our body. So as I mentioned, apple cider vinegar is hot in potency. Because it is hot in potency, so it is not advisable to all those people who have excessive heat in the system or excessive pitta dosh. So all those people who have pitta body type, like whose body constitution is more on the pitta side, and they feel a lot of hot flushes in the body, they feel a lot of burning sensation in the body, or if they have problem of acidity or ulcers, they should never ever take apple cider vinegar, because many times this happen, like you have acidity, okay, take apple cider vinegar. I have heard it is very beneficial for general health. This is myth. This is very wrong way of saying or telling someone, like if somebody has acidity and you can take apple cider vinegar. Acidity, as I mentioned, acidity means already you have high pitta in your body and you have started taking apple cider vinegar. That means you are enhancing the pitta dosha, and that's too, apple cider vinegar is very hot in potency. So it will exaggerate it, it will exaggerate acidity, it will not help it to bring it into balance. So if you have ulcer problems, if you have acidity problems, never ever take apple cider vinegar. It can cause shooting pain in your stomach. Even for acidity patients, we also recommend not to take tea, and we also say like even citrus fruits just take with caution. So apple cider vinegar is out of question for all these people. But other than this, other people who have a very slow metabolism, like whatever they eat they are not able to digest it properly. Their acidity, they don't have acidity but they have indigestion. They have very slow metabolism. How we recognize it? Like very much central obesity they have, sometimes thyroid disturbances they have, like hypothyroidism in which you gain weight. Sometimes even if you are eating very healthy but you are not able to digest it, that means digestive fire is very low. So in all these cases apple cider vinegar may be beneficial, but still before taking it you should take proper Ayurveda consultation, because as I mentioned, in Ayurveda every individual is different, every person is different, every person's constitution is different. In my videos I tell what are the generalized things which everybody can use, but specifically if you want to use that and you are not sure when it comes to the specific patient, and when you are not so sure about you, or I always recommend, please go for Ayurveda consultation either with me or with any other Ayurveda doctor who have proper knowledge. Then only the medicine will work in a proper way. Otherwise, randomly if we are keep trying, try this, try that, try this, it will not work. Better is you please go for proper diagnosis of the disease, then only Ayurveda things works. It is not like diagnosis is only in allopathy. Diagnosis is needed in all pathies, whether it is Ayurveda, homeopathy, allopathy, Chinese medicine, Tibetan medicine, wherever diagnosis is must, because without diagnosis you can't treat a disease. Yes, but it is true, like various pathies have different way of diagnosing things, and accordingly they prescribe their medicines. That is another issue. So like I mentioned, those people who have low metabolism, they can take apple cider vinegar. Take half cup of water, and in that you can add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and this way you can consume it by mixing it very well. It will just become like a lemon juice. You can have it if you have low metabolism, like if your digestion is not proper, but you should not have acidity issue, and you should not have high pitta symptoms. These you need to pay attention little bit, what are high pitta symptoms. Either you can make use of my videos also. In my videos also I have mentioned about what does it mean when pitta is high, what kind of symptoms you will feel. If you have like these symptoms in which you feel heaviness in your eyes but not burning sensation, very laziness, excessive weight, and digestion is not proper, and weight you are just gaining, and in all these cases, in addition to lifestyle, you can have apple cider vinegar. It will help you to make your metabolism better, and at the same time it also is very beneficial to lose weight. In addition to that, all those people who have excessive gas problem but no acidity, just gas, whatever they eat they feel bloating immediately after food. In all these cases, that means there is Vata imbalance, and for all Vata people this apple cider vinegar is very beneficial. But make sure you should not have acidity issues or any kind of high pitta symptoms. Vata people can also take apple cider vinegar if they have, because in Vata people it has been seen many times, it happens like their lower part of the stomach, they always feel bloated for no reasons, and their digestion is very improper, like sometimes food get digested, sometimes food not gets digested. These kind of problems if you are feel, and excessive gas, and while passing stool also they feel excessive gas, in these cases apple cider vinegar works very well. If you have this burps problem, in this problem also apple cider vinegar works very well. So I hope you, before consuming apple cider vinegar, you make sure like you should not have pitta body type, you should not have imbalanced pitta in your body, and you should not have acidity, ulcers and these kind of problems. If you have, then you should avoid apple cider vinegar. Other situations that I have mentioned, in these cases you can have apple cider vinegar. It will help and it's beneficial. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Also, if you have any questions, please write down your questions in the comment section. I will try to answer questions in the best possible way. Also, those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.